I would like to welcome lesson number 34 for grade 3 mathematics, guys. The topic which we are studying, that's rounding to nearest 10 and rounding to nearest, sorry, we are the topic which we are studying, that's order. And in that topic, we completed question number 1, that was rounding to the nearest 10. So today what we are going to do, we will discuss how to round off number to the nearest 10. Then we will discuss how to round off number to the nearest 100. And we will do some work related to question number 2. Question number 2 we will complete in notebook. So guys, this is very simple. This is very simple. Let me erase something for you so that you can understand. Yes. Guys, when you round off the nearest 10, that's mean a number should be tens. A number should be in tens. Like 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and so on. So the number should be in tens. This is 110, this is 210, this is 310, this is 410, and this is 510. So let's suppose there is a number 37. So 37 is between two tens, 30 and 40. 37 is between two numbers, 30 and 40. If you draw a number line from the mid, it will be 35 and 37 will be near to 40. So how you round off the number? 37 is near to 30 or 37 is near to 40? Tell me guys, 37 is near to 30 or 40?
30.
Look at 37 in the number line and tell me 37 is near to which number? Number 40 or number 30? This is I am asking. Yes guys.
40.
40. Very good. It is near to 40. If you draw a line from 37, look, this is short line. But from 30, you need to make a big line. So it is far from 30, it is near to 40. So the answer is 40. So any number you round off to the nearest 10. So the answer should be in tens and ones should be 0. When you round off any number in tens, so the ones should be 0 because the answer should be in tens. 1 tens, 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens, 5 tens, 6 tens, 7 tens, like this. Now, I told you how to identify how to round a number nearest to the 10. So guys, look at this 33. 33, in 33 there are two numbers. 33 is near 2 tens. Again 30 and 40. If you draw a number line, so 30 mid from mid it is 35 and there must be 33. So 33 is near to 30 or 40. So you will say that 33 is near to 30. It is not near to 40. 40 is far. So that's why when you round off 33, so the answer is 30, not 40. Okay. So from here, you know that whenever you round off a number in the tens, so either you will have the answer same tens, I mean 3 tens, or the next 10, I mean 4 tens. If you are rounding 3 tens, 7 ones, so the answer will be either 3 tens, 0 ones, or 4 tens with 0 ones. You don't need to remember, you don't need to learn that it is 0 ones because in tens there is no ones. You have to round it off nearest 10 only, So there will be no ones. It will be like 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Or I can say you will work for only 2 digits. Let's suppose if I write here a number 437. So there is 100 also, but you don't need to worry because 100 you don't care about as you are rounding off nearest 10. So this number you have to write, you have to round off either with 3 or with the next number which is 4. 7. 7 is near to 40 or 30. 37. So the answer will be 40. So it will be 440. 100 will be same. Only you will round the number of tens and ones will be 0. What technique I discussed with you to round it off if you don't draw the number line? This is very simple, guys. Check out the number before tens because you are rounding near tens. Check out the number before tens. The number before tens, this is 3 tens. The number before tens, that is 7. Now, check this number. Either 7 is 5 or greater than 5. Either number 7 is 5 or greater than 5. Yes. 5 or greater than 5, the numbers are 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. These are the numbers equal to 5 and greater than 5. That means if in the ones place or if before tens, any one of the number occurs 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, then this will push the tens number to go for next number. Look here. This is 33. So 33, 3 is not 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is weak number. This is less than 5. So it will not change in the tens. You will write 3 as it is, and you know that there are no ones in the tens, in the rounding nearest 10. So the answer will be 30. Let's take one more example, guys. Look at 66. 66. In 66, there are 6 tens and 6 ones. So the number before tens is 6. Check. 6 is a strong number. 6 is 5 or greater than 5. Yes, 6 is greater than 5. That's mean you will have to change the number on the tens. You have to go for the next number. What comes after 6? 7. Or you will add one number, like 7. In the ones place, it will be 0. So 66 will be 70. So you can have too much examples, guys. I give you now too many examples, 2-3 examples. Then I will ask you if you have any question. Look at 51. So in 51, the number is 1, which is less than 5. So tens number will not change. With 5, you will write 0. 5 tens, I mean 50. Write 52. 52. 2 is less than 5. So the number will also not change on the tens. Write 5 as it is. Instead of 2, you will write 0. Write 53. 3 is less than 5, so number will not change. It will be 5 and 0 ones. Then the number will be 54. On ones place, it is 4, which is less than 5. So 5 will be as it is, no change in 5 and 0 ones, 50. But once we have 55, once we have 55, once we have 55, so the number on the ones is 5. So it is 5. So you will change the number 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Any number come in the ones place, you will have to change the tens number. So 5 will go to the next number, which is 6. Or you will add 1 in 5. Because this is 5, so you will add 1 and 0 ones. This is 60. 56. 6 is greater than 5. So 5 will be changed into 6 and 0 will be as it is. Now tell me, guys, rounding nearest to 10 is clear to you?
Yeah, and 100 nearest 100, the same example 10 as 10.
No.
As 10, yeah. Yeah.
Sharif is asking, let's suppose if the number is 99 or 94, 5 or 96, then what will happen? So guys, 99 is between 9 tens and 10 tens, which is 100. 99 is between 9 tens and 10 tens. Because 9 is bigger than 5. So 9, after 9, what comes? 10. And with 10, you have 1 0. So this will be 100. Clear, guys?
I don't mean, I mean the nearest 100 as the nearest 10.
Yes, and all of it.
Yes, sir. Page number is 88. Page number
100.
is Adam. You have question? Yes, Adam.
Yes, sir. I didn't understand it.
What you did not understand?
And
Up to where you understand?
the order.
How to round off nearest 10? What you will do?
What?
When you are rounding any number to the nearest 10, what you will do?
Yes, that I didn't understand it.
Okay, I repeat for you. This is very simple, guys. When you are rounding any number to nearest 10, so check the number before tens. Check the number before tens. If it is 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, then change the number of tens to the next number. 5 will become 6. If it is 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0. If it is 4, 3, 1, 2, 1, 0, then you will not change a number of tens. Like if it is 50, so it will be 50. If it is 52, so it will be 50 because 2 is weak number, less than 5. If it is 40, so it will be 40. If it is 44, even it will be 44 because 4 is less than 5. So when you are rounding off any number to the nearest 10, so either the tens will be same or the tens will be the next. 50s, and if you are in 50s, so either the answer will be 50 or in 60. If you are having a number between 60 and 70, so either the answer will be 60 or 70. If you are having a number in 20 and 10, so the answer will be either 10 or 20. How you will decide that? You will decide that by checking the number before tens. If it is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, then go for the next number of the 10. If it is less than 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, then don't change the number of 10. Write the same number with 0 ones. And this is, you have to remember that in rounding nearest 10, ones will be always 0. Clear, guys?
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
I want to, I said that.
I'll take you. Yes.
I said that the nearest 100 is the same example as nearest 10.
No. Nearest 100 is different. Nearest 10 is different. In nearest 10, you are rounding the number of 10. The number which is on tens place. Okay. But in nearest 100, you will round off a number of 100. Like 437.
Yeah, like 500.
Is the number. So 437 answer will be either 400 or 500 in nearest 10, 100. But if you round 437 to 10, so you will have either 430 or 440. Only you will round the number of tens. When you round off nearest 100, so you will round off a number of 100. Okay.
If it's 500, more than 500, we will add 100. If it's less than 500,
no, it is very simple. When I will make you understand, you will find it very easy. The same concept you will use in the rounding of nearest 100 also. When you are rounding off nearest 10, you are checking the number before 10, right?
Yeah.
Same when you are rounding a number to the nearest 100, so you will check a number before 100. Look here, this is 437.
It's tens, you mean tens.
Yes, before 100 is tens, so it is 3. 3 is less than 5. So you will not change 4. 4 will be as it is and there will be 2 zeros. It will be 400.
Yeah.
If it is 457, then it will be 500 because 5 is 5. Greater than 5 or equals to 5, you will have to change the number. Because you are rounding to the nearest 100, so you will change the number of nearest of the place 100, okay?
When I learn it, I will understand it, okay?
Guys, any question?
Yes, sir. No, sir.
If you have question, you can send a message in chat box so that I can take a question. I want you to understand rounding nearest 10 in a very good way so that other roundings will be very easy for you. Because the same concept we will use in rounding nearest 100, rounding nearest 1000. Although rounding nearest 1000 is not in your syllabus and not in your book, but I will tell you just to make you understand how to round off nearest 1000, nearest 10,000. Because the concept is very same. Okay. So if you have any question in this rounding nearest 10, so please ask me. Any question? Yes, Abdul Rahim Fadi.
Sir,
Sir,
I don't understand it well.
Why? What you did not understand? You have to at least tell me what you did not understand.
Sir, when you answer it, the first thing we will make our eyes on the tenth one or on the hundredth.
Not on the hundreds, because you are rounding nearest 10. So you will change the number of 10. Ones will be 0. When rounding tens, before that number, all numbers will be 0. When you will round at 100, so before 100, whatever the numbers are, they will become 0. When you round nearest 10, whatever the number before tens, that will become 0. Only the number of tens, you will decide it will be same or it will go for the next number.
Sir, which number we will make it to add one?
For this, you will check the number. If the number before tens is 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9. This is called strong numbers. If a number on the ones number before tens is 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 means equals to 5 or greater than 5, then you will change the number on the tens. Like 57. 7 is greater than 5. So change the tens number which is 5. So 5, what number comes after 5? 6. So 6 and ones will be 0, it will be 60.
If we put 500, what's the answer?
Look, tell me the number. 500.
500. Yeah.
And let's suppose 14.
Okay.
Now,
okay.
you have to round it to the nearest 10. What will be the answer? Which number is which number is on the tens? 1 is on the tens.
Yeah.
So you have to change. You have to work for 1. You know this 4 will be 0 and this 5 will be same. But you have to either change this number or you need to write this same number.
Same.
Now check number before 5, before 1, before tens. It is 4. So 4 is a strong number or weak number? For 4, you change the number or you don't change the number?
We will change. We will put it 0.
No. Yes, we will put 0 instead of 4. But what about tens? We will change 1 or we will not change 1?
We will not change 1.
So tell me the number. It is 5. Yes, after rounding to the nearest 10, tell me number. It is 5.
1 0.
1 0. That's superb. You know it. But
sir,
if you have, listen, if you have a number, this is, let's suppose it is 500 and.
Sir, make for me one number and I will answer.
Look, 572. Now, when you round off 572 to the nearest 10, what will be the answer?
The nearest and the 10th one, 7.
5, 7 and
2.
No. Why 2? In nearest 10 or once always 0. Yes.
0.
It will be 570. Okay.
But sir, which number we will make it the number or greater? Like here you write 5 or greater, you will add 1.
Yes. If the number is 5 or greater.
Okay, 7 is largest, is greater than 5.
You don't have to look at the number on the tens. When you are rounding to nearest 10, so you will check number before 10. This is 10. So you will check number before 10. Before 10 is 2. If it is greater than 5, then you will change the tens. If it is not greater than 5, then you will write the same number. And this will be always 0.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Okay, so you will not check the number on the tens. You will always check the number which is before tens. Thank you. Guys, is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
So is it three digit? We will make in the ones, not in the tens. Then if it less than 5, we will put 0. If it is greater than 5, we will add 1.
So nice of you guys. You all got it. Now come about question number 2. Come to the question number 2. Question number 2 is rounding to the nearest 100. Rounding to the nearest. Guys, when you round to the nearest 100, what you will do? I will show you with the help of number line first. Let me erase it so that we can write. We have erased. Yes, guys. Whenever you round a number to nearest 100, look, we have to round nearest 100. Nearest 100 means we have to work for 100 place. We have to work for 100 place. So this will be changed, or the number what comes after 4, this will be 5. Either it will be 4 and this will be 5. And these two number will be always 0. Why 0? Because whenever you round off nearest 100, so before whatever the numbers are before 100, they will become 0. 421. 421 is between 400. In 421 is between which hundreds? 400s and 500. If I write here from the mid, maybe it is 450. So 421 will be around there. So you can see 421 is near to 400 or 500. Because it is near to 400, that's why the answer will be 400. Or the concept is very same, which you have learned in the nearest 10. You are rounding nearest 100. So you will check the number which is before 100. What number is before 100? Before 100 is 2. If it is 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. That means if it is 5 or greater than 5, the number which is before 100, remember, then you will change to the next number. You will go for next number. That means you will add the number in the 100. But if the number is 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0, then you will not change the number of 100. It will be same. It will be same. So look here. The number before 4 is 2. Before 4 is 2. So 2 is a weak number. 2 is less than 5. So you will not change the number of the 100. You will write 4. And you know when you round off to the nearest 100, other two numbers will be 0. So the answer is 400. Do you understand that, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, now I know. If the before the 100, we say the tens. If the tens is more than 50,
Guys, this is very simple. Read the question. Nearest 10 means you will check number before 10. Before tens. Nearest 100, you will check the number which is before 100. Which is before 100. And the criteria is very same. The numbers, if the numbers before that are 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, then you will change the number of the hundreds. If the numbers are less than 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, then you will not change the number. And when you are rounding to the nearest 100, so before 100, whatever the numbers are, they will become 0, like 400. And when you are rounding to the nearest 10, so the number before 10 will become 0. Is it clear, guys?
if we are making rounding 100,
Who is saying sir? Answer me in the chat box. I cannot understand who is saying sir. If you have any question, you can send a message so that I can take your question. If you have any doubt, I will clear you. Abdul Rahim Fadi, I have cleared your doubt, no? Sharif, I have cleared your doubt as well. Yes, Abdul Rahim. Abdul Rahim. Abdul Rahim, open your mind.
Sir.
Yes. What is your doubt? What is your question?
Sir, why in 421 you put 0 on the tens and 0 on the hundred?
Because when you round off nearest 100, so the tens and ones are 0. You are rounding 100. 421 will be either 400 or 500. You are rounding 100. Let's suppose you spend 500, you spend 475 rupees to buy something, and you ask your father, Father, I have purchased, let's suppose, a tablet in 475 riyal. Father will say, okay, tell me rounded amount. Tell me rounded amount. So you will say, Father, it is 500. You round off nearest 100. When you talk about bigger things, expensive things, so you round off nearest hundreds, nearest thousands, nearest 10,000s, you try to. So this will help you to understand. Sir, I have purchased a car with 5,709. So I will say, tell me how much? You will say, sir, 6,000. You will round it to the nearest 1,000. Or if you say, sir, I have purchased a sandwich of 9 riyal. Okay, forget about 1 riyal, take 10 riyal. So this is we normally use in our life. When you round off nearest 10, so the tens will change and other will be 0. When you round off nearest 100, so
It's
other two numbers will be changed. 521 will be 500.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
that's very good. Guys, clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
There's
Yes, sir.
something.
Okay, I'll take you, Sharif. I know it is clear to you, even you want to ask question. Ask.
Yeah. If we have example of 79 and make it rounded 100, so
Yes.
it will be 100.
Yes, 79. So there is no 100. So hundreds are 0. Look here, the number is 79. So there is no number, that means there is 0. 7 is bigger than 5.
Sure.
So you will go for the next number. What comes after 0? 1. And make other two numbers 0. It will be 100. But if you talk about 33, 33, 3 is less than
Small.
5. So the answer will be 0.
Yeah.
You will not add 1 in 0. So the answer will be 0. Only 1 0. No need to write 3 zeros. Okay?
Yeah, the answer would be 30.
So guys, now should we start working in notebook?
Yeah, very easy.
That's very good. Take out your notebooks, guys. We are going to start work in the notebook. I'm going to share a new screen with you. Can you see the new screen, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Round off to the nearest 10. Nearest 100. Question number 2A on the top of the page, guys. Write the date. Write the date, which is 19 January 2022. Write page number. Page number is 100. I forgot page number. What is page number? 88. Page number 88. And the topic name is order. Right from question number 2A. Question number 2A is round off the following numbers to the nearest 100. The one is 167. The second is 309. Start writing in your notebook, guys.
Okay, sir.
Question number 1B.
Yes,
You have completed question number 1. Write question number 2. 167, guys. So 6. This is the 100. The number before 100 is 6. 6 is bigger than 5. Change the 100's number. 1 after 1, 2. So it is 200. The answer is 200, not 100, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Sir.
sir.
One moment, sir. I'm question number 1.
Number 2.
Okay, your mic is open. If you don't make a noise, I can keep your mic open. Then write question number 2, part 2. That's 309. 0 is less than 5. So don't change the number on the tens. It is 3. Another 2 will be 0.
Okay, sir.
300.
I'm no change.
5 से जितने नंबर छोटे होंगे तो नो चेंज, 5 से बड़े होंगे तो चेंज.
Of the following.
आंसर इज
300.
Following what?
You have to remember, guys.
क्वेश्चन नंबर 3.
This is very important. When you read the question, so read carefully. Either you are rounding nearest 10 or you are rounding nearest 100. If you are rounding nearest 10, that means 10 number will change. And before 10 numbers, there will be 0. If you are rounding nearest 100, then the number on the 100 will change and other will be 0. Okay? Don't mix don't mix rounding to the nearest 10 and now rounding to the nearest 100. Close the mic. So guys, should I mute you?
No. What?
All right, guys. If you have questions, you can ask me in the chat. So look at, guys, 451. 5 is equals to 5. So change the number of 4. 4 after 4, what comes? 5. So it is 500. 621. After 2, before 6, it is 2. 2 is less than 5. So you will not change 6. It will be 600. Clear to all of you guys?
Sir, can you go up? Can you go up? I'm right.
Okay, I will go up. I will go up for you. Clear, guys? Are you writing?
Yes, sir.
I am writing the questions, then I will write the numbers.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Try to write the question only from the screen and try to answer it by yourself and check your answer, whether your answer is correct or not, so that you can understand whether you know it or you don't know it. Six 21 is 600. Question number 2 is clear to you guys?
Yes, sir, but I'm writing the questions and answers by myself.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Good. Guys, you have to write question number 2B as well. This is question number 2B, where you have to draw a table and you have to write the answers. If you could not finish it in the class, so I will upload it in Glassera course material. You can copy it down from there, okay?
Sir, it's just the numbers. I will write it fast. Just the numbers.
Okay.
Everything.
You have only 5 minutes left, guys, for the meeting. Start writing this table. This is from the book, guys. Round off, copy the table and round off all numbers to the nearest 100. So 327 on the tens, the number before 100 is 2. So you will not change 3. 3 with 2 zeros, 300s. 643, 600 or 700. 4 is less than 5. So you will not change 6. It will be 600. 489, 400 or 500. You will check number. That's 8 bigger than 5. So you will change the number of 4. It becomes 5 and 2 zeros, 500. 629. Either it will be 600 or 700. Check the number before hundreds. It's 2. 2 is less than 5. So write 6 with 2 zeros. It will be 600. First row is clear to you guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That's very good. Look at the second row. This 200, it's already in 100 form, so no need to change it. 200 will be 200, already 0, no need to change on the 100. It's 123. So either it will be 100 or 200, but the number before 100 is 2, which is less than 5. So you will not change 1. It will be 100. The next is 274. So 7 is bigger than 5. You have to change the number of hundreds. After 2, it's 3. So it is 300. In 753, 5 is equals to 5. So you have to change the number of the 100. After 7, what comes? 8. So 8 with 2 zeros, it will be 800. Clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
The nearest nearest 100.
Then 309. Come to the third row, guys. 309. This is 0, so it will not change. 300. 7 is bigger than 5. So after 4, 5, it is 500. 891. 9 is bigger than 5. So change 8 to 9. It will become 900. 912. 1 is less than 5. No need to change 9. It will be 900. 450. 5 is equals to 5. No need to, you will change the number of 4. 5 for greater than 5. You will change. 4 will become 5. 975. 7 is bigger than 5. You will change 9. What comes after 9? 10. Write 10 with 2 zeros. It will become 1000. 651. 5 is equals to 5. So you have to change the number of 6. It will become 7 with 2 zeros. 700. 568. 6 is bigger than 5. So you have to change the number of 100. After 5, what comes? 6. So 6 with 2 zeros is 600. Clear, guys?
Sir, the time is finished. Yes, sir. Sir, time is finished.
Very good. Guys, if you want, you can take a picture. We have 1 minute. If you want, you can take a picture of this page also and this page also. I'm giving you 10 seconds for each page. So that if the class is finished, you can copy it down from the picture after the periods. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now you can take a picture of this page. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. I will upload it in Classera course material also. Okay, so our class time is finished, guys. Inshallah, I'll meet you tomorrow in the next class. Take care. Bye-bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir. Bye, sir.
That's very good. Take care. Bye-bye. See you in the next class.
Bye.
No problem. I am copying it from the book
Bye, sir.
and solve it myself.
Bye-bye.